Alright, I found that there really hasn't been a lot of warmed up STs with the resonator removed, so figured I would just post this real quick, hopefully with the camera not too close to the rear so that I don't get the distortion, so that you can actually have a decent sound of resonatorless ST. Go.